So the Artemis Accords, you saw Nordic aliens training other members of the U.S. military and other members of the military from, what, Russia, China, other places?
No, I didn't see Russia and China.
Okay, who did you see?
I saw other nations that are involved with the Artemis Accord.
Okay, sorry. And they were training in what capacity? Aircraft?
They look like flying saucers, Clayton.
When we talk about Alabama, what are we talking about? Are we talking about in what part of Alabama?
I never gave the location, but I think Dr. Salah, he probably knows the location.
Does it have anything to do with the moving of Space Force to that location?
That's something you have to ask the President of the United States.
Okay. Well, we know that there's a massive.
I know that the United States have the best capability in the world. That's what I know. And I don't want to, well, because of the connection that we have, I think we have the best.
Because of the connections we have with the Nordics and others. Yeah.
And I'm sure other governments have their connections as well. And we probably don't know what they have. So we do have to be careful.
How many races of aliens, ETs, have you seen?
I seen Nordics. I seen these people that look like ants. Well, they call them ant people. They got big eyes. Like, I tell people, you can confuse these with gray aliens.
Okay.
Like, if you see the gray aliens, they have big eyes. Well, these guys that I see, they live under the ground, and they have like it's not antenna. It's like a hair looking. It's like a dread that comes out their head. And throughout history, I don't know if you heard the Hopi
Indian?
The Hopi Indian stories about them connecting with the inner earth and
the inner earth,
the ant people and all that, and they taught them. So we connected with these.
So the Hopi Indian working with these ant people. So have you seen grays?
I seen grays from a distance. That was a mission that I went to that was really weird as well. We went to this castle looking place, and this other people were giving us a lot of gold, plates of gold, and we were transferring these gold to different containers. And this was somewhere in the United States, but all I saw was like snow, but I don't know what location it was. I remember falling asleep on the craft that was on, and I woke up and we were in this location and we were just doing security. And because of my past experiences and past missions, they took me to this. And then from a distance, I saw one gray alien. Well, it looked like gray. It had the big head. It had the black, small, like really small, big head. I don't know if it was a costume or whatever the heck it was.